Hey, what is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So, we are going to get into the Bitcoin news and the data that's going to be dropping in just 3 to 4 hours here. We have the CPI data for the inflation rate for the United States markets here, and experts suspect that the higher the CPI, the higher the pressure on cryptocurrencies. If the CPI increases and decreases at a significant and quick rate, it's a sign of volatility in the crypto market. So we can compare the value of the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin to the US CPI. So if we look at this previous article here, you can see that on May 2023, so the price of Bitcoin rose more than 1% to just above 28,000 in the minutes following the news, and that's with the CPI. So we have um, we have some interesting price movements here with Bitcoin following this, and we're sitting at 30,696. We could potentially see the price go up just a little bit following the news, but it just seems like, we've gotten rejected here anywhere above 31,000. We got rejected at 31,500. We got rejected at 31,000. Right here, the highest was 31,040, and we got rejected immediately after. And the support levels that we have found are at the lowest 29,866, 29,999. We have 30,077. We have 30,085, 30,284, and these are all these previous support levels on the 1 hour on the short term here, and then we had another one here as low as 29.5. So these are the levels that we're looking at here. We can see that could be potentially levels that we could hit, as we could go as low as that, but it all depends on if Bitcoin keeps getting rejected off that 31,000. So if it keeps getting rejected off that 31,000, then that means it's just not ready to spike just yet. But if we can break that 31,000, that previous high right here, and then continue to the upside, then that could be a good position for a trade. But still think with some of the ETFs, like we had, like, because obviously, like, TA and looking at the charts and trying to make these price predictions with these moves, sometimes sometimes Bitcoin doesn't care about that. It doesn't care about how you think the charts are looking, because Bitcoin doesn't know when money is coming in. So that's very important. So that's one thing that we can't predict, is when a lot of money is going to be coming in. Like, we kind of can speculate, but really we don't honestly know exactly when those trillions of dollars are going to be pumped into the market from BlackRock, from Fidelity, from all of these different institutions that are going to be putting a lot of money, even just percentages of their holdings and their value going into Bitcoin, is going to see some crazy volatility that could be to the upside, and we just don't know when that's going to happen. So with that, we're kind of just chopping sideways around in this 30,000 range in between our two support and resistance levels, as you can see here. So probably might be a good, just DCA range instead of a trading range, but we can still probably find some trades in here. Not financial advice whatsoever. You have to do your own research and just kind of learn this stuff and kind of learn it as you go. And you can, take some suggestions from people. A lot of suggestions that I've received have turned out very well. But for instance, just you have to just kind of follow your instinct and try and do your best to not get too emotional, and don't trade with any amount of money that you are not willing to lose. So if you are wanting to trade, go ahead and go over to my links into the description, and you can find that at Dano Crypto, at Dano Crypto. And if you go to, for instance, say one of these videos like my top 5 altcoin picks, you can go in here, and here are my links. You can trade on MEXC. I got Qcoin here, Morales Money, LBank, and Crypto.com. So check that out, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.